I've never seen TRESemmé represent black people in their adverts. I didn't know their shampoo was geared towards kinky curly hair. And I still feel like it's not. Hello my beauties, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Mary and I'm a natural hair, lifestyle and beauty content creator from London. Now today's video I have my August Treasuretress unboxing. I know, forgive me, it is late, we're almost in September, but I thought it would still be helpful and useful to let you know how I found the products in this month's box. If you're new to this channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and press that notification bell so you don't miss when I drop my weekly videos. And if you're old and you're not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe, because about 77% of you watch my videos but aren't subscribed. You subscribing helps my channel to grow, so I appreciate all those who have done so far. I encourage the rest of you to also do so. So if you're new to this channel, Treasuretress is a monthly subscription box that gives you all the products you need for a full wash day routine, and they deliver straight to your door. The box is £20 excluding postage and packaging, and every month the box comes with a pamphlet like this, or should I call it a leaflet, a booklet, whatever you want to call it. And the booklet basically gives you all the ingredients that you will find in your products, and it lets you know what those ingredients do. And it also gives you an itinerary of all the products that are in your box also. Now if you follow Treasuretress on social media, I'm sure some of you already know what was received in the box. When I saw it, I was very skeptical, I'm not gonna lie. I'll explain as I go along, but I figured that since I am definitely doing a wash day with all the products, I will let you know how I felt truly and genuinely once using it in my hair. So what you usually start off with for your wash day is a cleanser, and this one we have is by TRESemmé, and it is the TRESemmé Moisture Rich with Vitamin E Luxurious Moisture Shampoo. And it says that it locks in moisture for all day hydration, and it is for dry, damaged hair. There's nothing on the bottle that suggests it's curly girl friendly. And I'm not gonna lie to you, the reason I was skeptical when I first saw this product is because anytime you see the TRESemmé advert, you never see a black person in their chair. So I figured that it's just geared to white people. Do you know what I mean? Like, it's always white women. Maybe, have I seen a white man before? I don't know. But their hair is clearly a lot different from our hair. And so I was very skeptical. I was a bit unsure as to why this was in our box this month. But I still went ahead and used it. I didn't use the one that came in the box because I do have this product and the conditioner in my cupboard already. That's because I use it for my wigs and my weaves, which obviously isn't the same texture as my hair. And I do find that it works very well on that kind of textured hair. So I've decided that I'm going to give these products that I received this month away because I haven't actually opened them. I will say, when I used the shampoo, I didn't like it. I didn't see how it was looking in moisture. My hair did not feel moisturized. My hair felt dry. It really stripped away everything that was on my hair, which is good, which is what a shampoo is supposed to do. However, being that it says it's moisture rich, it locks in moisture, that didn't happen for me. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, it didn't happen for me. That's just the be all and end all for that. So yeah, no bueno for me. I would still use it on my wigs and my weaves, but I haven't worn a wig in over a year, and so, you know, that's why I'm not keeping this. There's no point in it wasting in my house when someone else can benefit from it. So next up, to go along with the shampoo, was the TRESemmé Moisture Rich with Vitamin E Luxurious Moisture Conditioner. And again, this one says it locks in moisture for all day hydration, and it is for dry and damaged hair. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, as you already know, I already have this conditioner, and I've used it for my wigs, I've used it for my weaves, I have used it for my hair. I do like TRESemmé conditioner. that one I can say without any repercussions, without it biting my ass in the near future, I like their conditioner. Whether it's the moisture rich one, or there's another one that's a green, I can't remember what that one's called. If you watch my wash day routine, you will see that I said I do a protein treatment every 6 weeks, 6 to 8 weeks, and the product I use for that requires a conditioner, and I find that the TRESemmé conditioner is rich enough and conditioning enough for me to use it alongside that product. As far as conditioners are concerned, this would be one of my, I wouldn't say it's my fave, but it is one that I use regularly, and that's because there's a lot in it, you know. Like, some of these other conditioners aren't as big as the TRESemmé one. You can get TRESemmé conditioners on discounted price, like a big bottle. You'll see the bottle that I use on my wash day. I think I bought that one for like £2.79 or something, very cheap, and it smells nice. The shampoo does smell nice as well. I just didn't like what it did for my hair. But if you use both of them together, I guess it does lock in the moisture that you need. But you know, being that the shampoo says it's moisturizing, I expected it to be moisturizing. So yeah, that's my verdict on this TRESemmé duo, and I'll be giving them away. So next up, after the conditioner, usually just go in with like a leave-in, and then you cream, and then you seal. However, in this month's box, we also got a hair mask, and this is Umberto Gianni Curl Jelly, and this contains coconut and shea, and it says it is a defrizz treatment mask for natural waves and curls, and it is silicone free. Now, in the booklet, in the Treasuretress booklet, it says that you can keep the mask on for a few hours and then wash it off, and on the label of the product it actually says just keep it on for a few minutes then wash it off. I decided to keep it on for a few hours just because I'm just not really sure. Even though the conditioner did leave my hair feeling moisturized and things, I felt like I just wanted to give the mask more time to actually work in my hair, because I didn't like how my hair felt after washing. So this product I really love. It smells nice, and you guys know I don't necessarily like masks, but this one has a lot of slip, and the consistency is kind of like jelly, sticky jelly. To be fair, sticky watery jelly, but not very watery. I don't know how to describe it. You guys, I'm so bad with descriptions. It has this consistency that's kind of like, yeah, sticky jelly. I didn't need a lot to go through my hair. I don't know if it necessarily defrizzed my hair, but it did work well as a mask. That's all I can say. It is actually cruelty free and vegan friendly, so highly recommend. After I kept the mask on for a few hours, I did wash my hair out, and the following day, after it had dried a bit, I went in with the leave-in conditioner. Now this is a product by Aveda, and it says it is the art and science of pure flower and plant essences. This says it is for all hair types. This is a spray leave-in conditioner, and you know me already, I love spray leave-in conditioners. Very easy to use, and this one smelled nice. That's my verdict on that. Would I pick it up to use it again? Most definitely. So from the leave-in conditioner, you then go into moisturize. For this month's box, we have the Aveda Be Curly Curl Enhancer, and it intensifies curls, combats frizz, and helps boost shine on curly or wavy hair. I've never heard of Aveda before this box, so I'm not too familiar with this brand. This product in particular says you should use it on damp hair. My hair wasn't damp, it was 80% dry. In terms of if it was enhancing my curls, I never saw that particularly, but because I didn't use it in accordance to the instructions, maybe that's why. Again, another nice smelling product. In terms of moisturizing, I wouldn't say it's moisturizing. Did my hair feel dry? It didn't feel dry necessarily, but when I use like more moisturizing products, I do notice a difference. So I think that is just what it says in the tin. It's a curl enhancer, and that's it. I then went in with the final step, which was a sealant, and this one is from TRESemmé, and it is the Keratin Smooth with Marula Oil. And this says that it's one system with 5 benefits. It says it has up to 72 hours of frizz control. It gives silky shine. It perfectly detangles it leaves hair feeling soft and tames flyaways. Now this product I like. I'm not sure whether it's this or whether it was the whole system together, but having read what it says, my hair was really detangled, guys. I was surprised because I didn't necessarily detangle as thoroughly as I would on a normal wash day routine. I was just over the wash day, to be honest. I can't even lie. Sometimes it gets like that, you know, your curly hair just gets like that. After doing 4 steps already, 5 steps, your girl's tired, okay? Your girl is tired. So I'm not sure whether it is the Keratin Smooth with Marula oil or whether it was the whole system together, because it seems like the purpose of most of this product is to defrizz your hair. My hair was so detangled, guys. I was shocked. I was shocked to my core. So yeah, the final product I want to mention is not part of the wash day routine. This is for your own personal self-care, and it is the Nip and Fab Exfoliate Glycolic Fix Exfoliating Mask. I'm really happy that they provided this. I know Nip and Fab as a brand to be very good. I've used their products before. I would go out and buy their products again, so I cannot wait to use that mask. That is it for this wash day package. We had 6 full products, of which 5 I liked and 1 I didn't, and I believe they all worked very well together. So I do like the fact that they put thought behind how the products work well together when they do give you a box that's mixed with different brands. The only thing I would say is my hair does not feel moisturized. My hair feels almost dry. I know I'm going to have to go in with a good moisturizer to make sure that it's not feeling as rough as it does at the moment. So I guess that's the downfall of this whole box, because even though my hair was really detangled, it feeling dry defeats the purpose of having products that say locks in moisture. If like me, your hair tends to be on the drier side naturally, if you have low porosity hair, if you don't retain moisture very well, this might not be the wash day products you want to use without a moisturizing moisturizer. I've never seen TRESemmé represent black people in their adverts. I didn't know their shampoo was geared towards kinky curly hair, and I still feel like it's not. Even though on the label it says for all women don't have the same hair type. So for me, when you say it locks in moisture, you need to make sure that you're checking that it locks in moisture for all hair types. Please comment though if you have like high porosity hair, if your hair retains moisture a lot easier than mine does. Please comment if you have used this box, because I want to know what it was like for you. I appreciate reading you guys' comments. That is it from me, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you appreciate this video, even though it came out late. I still wanted to give my honest review, and I will be seeing you in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. I appreciate you guys watching. Thank you so much for your support, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah! Love you guys. Bye.